Hi, I'm Grace, and I'm here to tell you about the exciting new updates to the Trident 660. The new 2026 model delivers more power, enhanced performance, and a bolder road presence, thanks to a significantly updated engine, including triple throttle bodies, an upgraded chassis, and refined styling. So let's take a look at the Trident's standout features and discover what's been updated. At the heart of the Trident is the updated 660cc triple engine, engineered to deliver the perfect balance of low-down torque and exhilarating top-end power for a thrilling and responsive ride. For 2026, things get even better, with even more engine character. The engine now features triple throttle bodies, giving each cylinder its own dedicated air intake. The result? More power, cleaner airflow, and an even more addictive induction roar with every twist of the throttle. Peak power now comes in at 95 PS at 11,250 RPM, an increase of 17% over the previous model. The 660cc triple reacts immediately, with over 80% of the bike's maximum torque available across virtually the whole rev range, peaking at 68 Newton meters. There's also good news for A2 license holders because an official accessory restrictor kit can be fitted by a Triumph dealer to keep the Trident compliant until you have your full license. And it's not just about performance. The Trident's distinctive, muscular styling plays a key role in its appeal. Taking its name from the original 1968 Trident, which carried Triumph's first three-cylinder engine, today's model offers a subtle nod to that sleek silhouette, but the updated bodywork results in a more muscular stance and more presence on the road. Under the deep paint finish, the chiseled 14-litre fuel tank flawlessly unites form and function. To integrate the rider perfectly into the Trident, knee cutouts in the tank are matched to sculpted side panels for more connection and control. No detail was overlooked when it came to crafting the updated Trident, and the premium feel is evident throughout the bike, like the use of aluminium, including diamond machined badging, fuel filler cap, and heel guards. This strong and lightweight metal also features in the tapered handlebars and branded bar clamp. Accentuating the clean lines is a classic single round headlight. This compact full LED unit has been updated for 2026 with a new signature DRL that ensures maximum visibility to other road users and provides great visibility on night rides. And speaking of safety, the LED indicators are self-cancelling, so the rider can focus on the road ahead. Helping to give the Trident its signature minimalist look is a number plate hanger that seamlessly integrates the rear indicators. Combined with the compact tail unit and its perfectly contoured LED tail light, the result is fresh, uncluttered, and unmistakable. And when it comes to making a statement, the 2026 Trident doesn't hold back. Choose from three bold new finishes: this cosmic yellow, stone grey, or Snowdonia white. For 2026, the Trident benefits from a new frame to accommodate the triple throttle bodies, and the ergonomics have been refined too. A new supportive split seat offers better rider support and pillion comfort, while wider bars and a low 810mm seat height and narrow profile create a natural and comfortable riding position. The Trident 660 handles every road with precision thanks to its high-spec suspension setup front and back, allowing riders of all experience levels to get the most out of their ride, no matter the road or riding style. Upside down 41mm separate function shower forks give 120mm of front wheel travel and plenty of feel and feedback. And at the rear, there's an upgraded Showa monoshock that provides 130mm of wheel travel, preload, and for 2026, rebound adjustment allows you to dial in the ride perfectly. Providing the all-important connection to the road are stylish and lightweight 17-inch cast aluminium wheels fitted with Michelin's grippy Road 5 tyres. The result is precise steering with impressive levels of feedback in all conditions. At the heart of the cockpit, providing the rider with all the information they need, is this compact, clean and uncluttered multifunction display, easily controlled using the switch cube on the left bar. In the upper section, a white on black LCD shows speed, revs, gear position and fuel level status in crystal clear clarity, even on the brightest of days. In the lower section, the integrated colour TFT screen provides everything from the ride mode, journey data, traction control status, and thanks to the Triumph connectivity system, which comes as standard, enables turn-by-turn navigation, phone and music control, all via Bluetooth. When it comes to rider aids, the Trident 660 really stands out from the crowd. Triumph Shift Assist is a slick and satisfying up and down quick shifter that comes fitted as standard, allowing for effortless, uninterrupted acceleration through the 6-speed gearbox while you forget about the clutch lever and focus on the curve ahead. When you do want the control and connection that a clutch lever provides, particularly at low speeds, Triumph's slip and assist system makes the lever feel incredibly light and easy to operate. There's also optimized cornering ABS and traction control fitted as standard. This advanced technology provides peace of mind, particularly in tricky riding conditions, by detecting a loss of traction while braking or accelerating and subtly intervening to regain grip, even while cornering. This system adds an extra level of security that's always ready, so you can focus on enjoying the ride. There are 3 riding modes: rain, road and sport. Delivering a more secure feeling when riding in the wet, rain mode allows earlier ABS and traction control intervention, together with a softer throttle response. And the sport mode lets you dial things up a notch, unlocking an even more eager throttle response and reducing the level of traction control intervention when confidence and conditions allow you to really let the 660cc triple sing. For longer runs, cruise control is also fitted as standard, reducing fatigue and improving fuel efficiency, as well as making it easy to maintain the speed limit while you focus on the road. The Trident offers premium performance without the premium price tag, redefining what a middleweight roadster can offer riders with thrilling engine character, class-leading technology, and a premium finish. Going even further for riders are the 10,000-mile service intervals with lower workshop times than its competitors. That means less time at the dealer and lower running costs. There's also an unlimited mileage warranty to provide owners peace of mind wherever they go and however far they ride. There's a huge range of genuine accessories available for the Trident, offering plenty of personalization potential. From frame protection kit and engine cover protectors, fly screen, scrolling LED indicators, pillion grab handles, luggage, and much more, so you can create your personal dream machine. So if you're looking for a perfect package that delivers addictive triple-powered performance with even more power and torque, a fun and agile chassis that guarantees a smile on every ride, and the latest in rider tech, all wrapped up in a classy, retro-inspired roadster package ready to make your own, check out the new Trident 660.